What's up, you guys? We are going to declutter my makeup stand today. This just needs to be done. All of this mess is just getting on my nerves and I just need to clean everything out. Starting with highlighters first. I have organizers in here. So this is all of my like cream highlighters and then this is all of my powder highlighters. So let's go ahead and start with creams first. I do actually have some powders in here as well. I'm just moving this on top of my makeup stand so that way we can kind of see a little better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through everything and I'm literally gonna smell anything that's liquid for sure, just to make sure like it still smells fine. Like this LYS still smells fine. It's a little liquidy, but that's how it was when I got it, so I am going to keep this one. This I got from Temu. This is a Lake Rain. I hope you guys can see. I moved all my lighting over here, but this is a Lake Rain highlighter. I really don't use this one too much. I'm going to be getting rid of this one because it smells like very chemically, so I'm going to get rid of that. You know me and highlighters. I'm probably not going to get rid of too many. I just got this highlighter Christmas. It's a really pretty pink highlighter. I was testing out a blush earlier and it stained my hand. But I will keep this. I love that one. This highlighter is from e.l.f. and make sure that I can shake it up and it's not still separated. This one is still fine too. It's just a really pretty like champagne color. So gonna keep that one. I love this one. This is my favorite. I use her all the time, so definitely keeping. Okay, this is from Bo Babe Beauty and we got this in a subscription box. The little dropper has never worked on this thing. Like I don't know if the formula is just too thick to suck up into the dropper or what, but yeah, it's never been like a good dropper. So it doesn't have a smell to it, but it's just really not one that I use a lot. It is really pretty. We'll put that in the maybe pile. Like you can't use the dropper. I should let her go. You know, I have an issue. Like I like to keep too many things. This I actually just used the other day. So really like this one. It doesn't have a weird smell. It's like a pinky highlighter. Really pretty. So gonna keep her. Again, I just used this one not too long ago as well. This is liquid glitter and it is stunning. It's a gold glitter. I love it so much. I mean, it's gorgeous. I wish this lighting would do better. I wonder if I turn off there, is that better? If I turn that off, I feel like you guys can probably see a little better now. But yeah, I just love that one. It's just really pretty, like glittery, sparkly, gorgeous. Okay, so moving on, I love this highlighter too. So this highlighter reminds me a lot of the iconic London highlighter. It's really pretty, just golden shade. It doesn't have a weird smell to it. And I mean, look at that. Is that not gorgeous? I mean, seriously, that is just so stunning. I love that. It's beautiful. So she's a keeper as well because you know me and highlighter, I just can't seem to like get rid of any. Okay, this highlighter is so different from any other highlighter that I have. It's like a purpley blue highlighter and I just think, oh my goodness, look at how stunning that is. Isn't that so pretty? Love that. So have to keep that one because it's different than any of the others. Okay, so this is from the Beauty Crop. This is the Glow Milk. I really did like this one as well. Doesn't smell any type of weird, but she is thick, chunky. It was like that when we got it. I just feel like these were probably older highlights when we received them from the box. And I mean, again, it's just really pretty. I don't want to get rid of it. It's so pretty. I still do use it every once in a while, so we're going to keep it. Okay, so this is like one of those water activated ones. You can see like I put water in here and I closed it before it completely dried and then it just kind of like melted over into the other pans. So we're gonna get rid of this one actually. Progress. I've gotten rid of 2 so far. So this is from I don't know what company. Really pretty like white icy highlighter and I'm just like, should I don't have another one like this, so I kind of want to keep it maybe. Okay, so these two are maybes. Okay, here is another one. This is from the dollar store. This is from Be Pure. Hello, will any of you come out? These containers are a little difficult. They don't want to like work with you. You have to squeeze the bejeebers out of it. Okay, so that's what that one looks like. I recently just got this, so I am gonna keep it because it's really pretty. And I mean, it came from the Dollar Tree, $1.25. You can't beat that. It's a really pretty highlighter. Okay, so moving on to this estate highlighter. This is a really pretty, just like pink highlighter. Don't really use a ton. It is pretty, but I think I'm going to get rid of this one because I just don't use this one. And I mean, I do have other pink highlighters that I like more. Okay, so this is a jelly highlighter from Rimmel London. I got this from the Dollar Tree and I love this because it's basically like blue glitter. It's so pretty. Let me just show you. On the skin, it just looks like a really pretty like blue purpley glitter, and it's just something different than I have in my collection, so definitely keeping this one. Okay, this highlighter here, I really loved it. I think it is so pretty, but it has like such a chemically smell to it, but it is stunning. I do love it a lot, but I am going to get rid of it just because it smells like horrid. It smells so strong. I have a few little like Rare Beauty samples in here that I've never tried. I need to just like leave these out so I can try them. This is blush, this is highlighter. Okay, so the rest of them in here are actually powder highlighters, just like overflow because I have so many powder highlighters. So I'm gonna take these out and I will just refill my little container here with all of the ones that I'm going to keep, which see much neater, a lot less. I'm still gonna leave these off to the side because I just don't know if I want those or not. I feel like this one I'm gonna let go because we just don't need her. We can't even use her really. We can't get her out. I do feel like this one I do want to keep just because I like that like champagne-y color that it is. So we'll keep her. Okay, switching out containers. Let's go into the powdered highlighters. This is a for sure keep. This is my absolute favorite highlighter. I use it all the time. It is like the prettiest like natural highlighter ever, and I love it so much. Rare Beauty, this is in the shade Enlighten, and it is again really pretty, stunning. It looks like your skin is wet. It's not glittery chunky or anything, so definitely keeping Rare Beauty. I have another Rare Beauty. This one is in the shade Mesmerize, and this is like the pinky shade, so of course keeping that one as well. I really love these highlighters. I think all three of them are just really pretty. They're not chunky on the skin, but they're smooth looking. They don't emphasize texture. Okay, so this is an e.l.f. highlighter. I don't even think you can get these anymore. This one is in the shade Rose Gold. I literally never use this one, so I think I'm gonna let her go. I have another e.l.f. highlighter, which this one is in the shade White Gold. Now I will use this highlighter. I do like this one. I think it's super smooth, really pretty. I love the shade of it, so keeping that one. Go for highlighter. This is Rodea Drive. Of course I'm keeping it. It's that really pretty gold shade, and it just looks beautiful on the skin. Again, not chunky, really smooth. Okay, this highlighter I got from a subscription box, and I really do love this highlighter as well. Again, super smooth, that nice icy white highlighter that I really do love to use, so keeping this one as well. Is anybody surprised I'm not getting rid of a lot of highlighters? Because you know me. Okay, so this one from Maybelline is really pretty. This is like that icy white, but it has like that little bit of pink shift to it, so I am gonna keep this one. I do use this one. Okay, this is from Italia Deluxe, and this is a really pretty, this is in the shade Princess Cut. I like the packaging more than I like the highlighter. I think the highlighter is like lackluster, it doesn't really show up that great, and I don't know. I mean, it's okay. This one here, it's okay, but it's nothing that I'm like, oh my gosh, I love that when I put it on. So I do think I am going to let this one go as well. Okay, so this is from Oakland, and this is a really pretty like icy white highlighter that I do love to use. I think it's beautiful, looks super smooth on the skin. Keeping. We have a So Rich highlighter, and I just think, my goodness, it's again so pretty, super smooth. It has that nice icy white to it. It's a little different than the last highlighter, not a ton, but it is a little different. Gonna keep her. Okay, so this is from Bo Babe Beauty, and she is a little powdery, but this is like a deep bronzy highlighter, and I do like the shade of this, especially when I'm trying to do like super bronzy looks. I just think I like this, so I'm gonna keep it. This is probably the coolest highlighter that I have. This is from Chloe Orr. This is like a rainbow highlighter, so she's stunning. She can swipe on like a rainbow, and it is so pretty. I love the different shades to this. Beautiful. Okay, this highlighter is from Charmacy, and this is again a very different highlighter. It's a green highlighter. We love her. So this is like a green, pinky, shifting highlighter. It just looks stunning on the skin, especially when you do green looks. I love to use this one. IBY is a highlighter that I do really love. I don't use it all the time, but I do think that it is stunning. It's really pretty, looks smooth on the skin. Keeping. This highlighter I got from the Dollar Tree, LA Colors. Hey, this highlighter is beautiful too. My hand is like coated in highlighter, but yeah, that highlighter is stunning. $1.25. Come on, you need this in your collection, so definitely a keeper. Essence Pure Nude highlighter. Okay, she is more of your natural highlighter, but still do love her. I don't know if you can tell because I have so much highlight on my hand anyway, but she does look stunning on the skin. She's nice, she's natural. She is great for a day that you don't want a ton of highlighter. Beautiful. Of course, keeping her. And I still have all of these other highlighters that I haven't gone through that were in with the liquid highlighters. My keep pile is getting major over here. I need to let go of some more. Let's go through these really quick. Artist Couture. This is a loose highlighter. I've had this forever, but I don't know. I just think it's so pretty. I think every highlighter is so pretty. I can't help myself. So we're keeping her because, you know, it's shiny and glittery and we love that over here. Okay, this one, I cannot even tell who this is from. I can't read it because of the glitter on there. She's a bronzy highlight. She's a loose highlight. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Should I keep it? That's the question. Summertime, nice tan bronze. Maybe. She's a maybe. Let's stick her to the side. She's a maybe. I don't know. Okay, this is from Essence. This is Coffee to Glow. Okay, the highlighter I wouldn't say is the greatest, but look at this. It looks like coffee beans. Stop it. It's like loose little pieces of highlighter in here, and it's nothing that I use. I don't use this at all. It's kind of hard to use because it's like little loose coffee beans, but I mean, I'm really just keeping it because it looks like a little loose coffee beans. I'm gonna put her in the maybe pile as well, just because these two I necessarily don't use. I haven't used these in so long. So those are a maybe. The struggle is real trying to get rid of this stuff. It's crazy. Beauty Creations. I love this palette. I think it's so pretty. It has your yellow, your blue, and your pink highlight in here. Obviously, I use the pink highlight way more than any of the other colors, but let's just swatch. I mean, are you kidding me? The pink highlight in that is just so pretty. I think I'm gonna have to keep this one. I have another Artist Couture highlighter. This is loose as well. This one is like a purple shifty highlighter though, and it is really pretty. I don't necessarily use these a ton either, but I'm just like, Man, I have such a hard time getting rid of highlighter. It has like a little bit of a purple shift to it. I don't know if you can tell. Try to build it up a little. But it does just like shift purple just a slight bit. Okay, you know what? I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. I'm gonna let go of this one. Yeah, I'm gonna let go of that one. Manna Kadar, I love this highlighter. It's a roller ball and it is stunning. It looks beautiful on the skin. It's the like prettiest pink powder highlighter. I love that one. I use that one quite a bit. Okay, ZC. This one looks like a little spaceship. I got this out of one of our boxes as well. It's a nice like natural highlight, really pretty on the skin. It looks like super smoothing on the skin. I think I'm gonna let it go though, because I feel like my Rare Beauty and Ofra highlighters kind of look like this one, but a little more payoff, so I'm gonna let that one go. Oh my gosh, this is like my first Fenty Beauty highlighter. It's the Trophy Wife highlighter. She's golden, but I mean, again, for summertime, it looks beautiful because it has that like really pretty like gold shift, and I do love that. And plus it's Fenty, so I love Fenty, so we're not gonna get rid of her, we're gonna keep her. All right, Believe Beauty. This is from Dollar General and their products are pretty good. They're really affordable, and that's what that highlighter is looking like. Really pretty. I don't use it a ton, and I do have another one right here from Rare Beauty, so I think I'm gonna let this one go because I have this like 3 compartment one. It has like a gold. I think this is supposed to be like a pinky, and this is like a white gold. So it has like 3 different shades in there, and I think I'll just keep that one. Saint Lux. This is a rose quartz. I don't really remember this one, to be honest with you. Kind of lackluster. Not really feeling that one too much. It doesn't really show a ton of pigment, so we'll let go of that one. Okay, I feel like I've done pretty good with the powder highlighters, considering I have a hard time letting them go. So let's just stack everything back in here. Fancy highlighter, I use that one so much. The little highlighter is so cute. The Rare Beauty highlighters I kind of like to lay down just because they are breakable like so easily, so I just try to lay them down. Artist Couture and my little. Okay, so now that's our container for our powdered highlighters. So much better. And I am going to go ahead and get rid of these as well. Okay, so this is what our drawer looks like after we decluttered. I'm so happy with that. I think that looks so much better now. And then this is everything that I got rid of. So I did get rid of quite a bit of stuff out of there. I'm happy with that. And that frees up some room. Everything's not jammed up on top of each other, so I'm happy with